So let's talk about another tool which is named as Maltego. Maltego is one of the tools which gives you a lot of information about any specific website. There are a lot of entities which you can use over there, people, and a lot of entities. So I'm just going to show you it. So first you have to click on this icon and search over here for Maltego. If it is not installed, you need to install it. So it's not showing over here, it means it's not installed. I need to install this Maltego. Sudo apt-get install Maltego. Is of 136 MB. But it will be done within few seconds. Newer version of these Kali Linux are not having by default Maltego installed. You need to download it. Whereas the previous version of Kali, if you want to use, they were already having Maltego inbuilt into Kali. So let this set up. Now, first time whenever you are going to open the Maltego, you need to register yourself on the website of it. It's Maltego website. Peterva.com is the main website of it. It will give you the info from where you have to register it. After registering, you will get a login, username, password that you have to always put into your Maltego to use it. Because all the transformations are going to be downloaded with the help of that API only. When the API key is valid, then only you will be able to download the transformations. So about to complete. So just few seconds more and then I'll get the Maltego installed. Now let's open Maltego. So I'll search over here. Now you can see we got the Maltego. So since I am logged in as a normal user, so it might ask for a password when I'm going to open this, because it requires the admin privilege to be. So it's a community edition version. You can see Maltego CE 4.3 right now we are using. Just a community edition. So it's starting the modules. As I told you, we are having multiple modules, multiple entities to work on, as well as a lot of transformations are there, which are required to be installed at the startup. So that's our main window. It's going to load the window now. Now you can see which version of Maltego you want to use. So do you want to use Maltego 1? You need to purchase it. Maltego Excel purchase, Maltego Classic purchase, Maltego C, that is community version free, that I'm going to run. So let's run this. Now I'm already having an account over here. If you are having an account, it's well and good. If you're not having an account, it's going to give you the link to register over there. Just register, confirm on the mail. So this is the first configuration of Maltego. Let's accept. Next. Now you can see over here it's asking register here. If you are not having any Maltego login, you need to click on its register here and register over there. I'm already having. Let's plug into this. Now it means login is done. That's why it's loaded in the background. Now after this, it's going to install the transformation. So it's done. Let's go next. For 3 years now, they are providing the API key. Previously, they were providing it for 15 days only. Now they are giving the API key for 3 years in the CH. Not 2 years. So 2024 it is. Now it's installing the transforms. There is a complete on the Maltego website. If you will go, there is a complete course on it, which is of around 8 to 12 hours. You can visit the Maltego website. You will get the course over there. So now let's do next. I do not want to use the system default browser. Yes. Privacy mode, let it be normal. So now how you are going to start? Open a blank graph and let me play around. Yes. Let's finish. So it's going to open a blank graph. If it is not opening a blank graph from here, from this point of this, you can just insert a graph over it. Now you can see this is my Maltego screen where we have some entity palettes. So we have a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin cash address, Bitcoin cash block, Bitcoin cash hide, all these options. I can just scroll down. We have a lot of options available over here. For devices, for date and time, for company, for organization, for infrastructure like AS, banner, NetBlock, CP, CVs, DNS name, domain. We have a lot of options you can see over here. I'm going to get it the website. So I'll drag the website over here, the blank graph. I'll remove this www.peterva.com and in place of this, I'm going to type certified hacker.com. Now, when you right click on it, you have the option of all transform, which is having a plus sign also. When you click on this plus sign, we have multiple more options like result to IP, web technologies, web relationship, different platform transforms these are, but in this one, we are going to get all transforms together. Now, what you want to do? So first of all, I want to retrieve its IP address. So I'll just click on this IP address DNS. And this is an open source technology which we are trying. Now here we got the IP address. Now I can right click over it again and check all the web technologies which are built in. That gives me all the web technologies which are built in into this website. I can just, you can see different ways are also there. You can just click on any of these ways. It is going to make according to that. Like this. So we have different ways also. So I'm just keeping this all. You can also right click on this IP also and just check. We have a lot of transformation for this also. Fraud check IP. Let's check. So its red mark means fraud has been detected. Of course, the certifiedhacker.com has been given for the testing, so it might have the fraudulent kind of content. Now here it gives you the detailed view. You can see the relationship, incoming, certifiedhacker.com, IPv6 fraud score, 100%. It's also giving you fraud score is this one. Generator detail, this is the detail. So this is a way you can just try out a lot of transformations are there. Some are going to work, some are not going to work. Like if I'll check the website title, So it's giving it's a certified hacker.com. I can right click on this also, and we have a lot of more options here. Now what I'll do, I'll just create a report of it. So I can just go on this menu bar at the application menu. We have export option. We can export this as an image. So this image is going to be exported as a XML. We can generate a report, export as a table. So I'll just generate a report, PDF format. I'll give it a name as certified. Let's save. Now the report has been generated. Let's close this and see the report. So it's certified. Here we have, let's double click on it and open. So we have 13-page report. The first page is having all that diagram. The second page, top 10 entities, number of links, what we have find out, all those options are there. Rank by outgoing link. So like that, we are having all the information, you can see. Fraud score, website title, where it has been hosted, all the information. So like this, we can of course get this. And that's all about this particular market.